I wonder why nobody talks about how your LinkedIn profile should be. Like, do you ever know that recruiters will reach out to you if your LinkedIn profile is really great? Do you really know that? So that's why I'll tell you how your LinkedIn profile should be. Okay? Take notes. So rule number one, don't use LinkedIn as Instagram because it's not Instagram, bro. Okay? Rule number Rule number two, you should have a professional profile and banner. You shouldn't have some aesthetic like no such photos, bro, because it's LinkedIn, it's not Instagram. Okay. The rule number three is headline. Two things about headline. First thing is it should either be smart or real. Smart in the sense when I had zero experiences, when I was just a beginner, just a fresher, I had these lines like tech freak, tech enthusiast, and studying at VTU, and some headlines, some smart like you know. I keep it real, but you should keep it smart. Okay, something like when someone reads it, they should be like, wow, that is definitely not from ChatGPT. Okay, and real in the sense, I have my own experiences like freelancing, projects, and stuff. So I have headings like HP, intern, apprentice, and all that. That is something real. So it should either be smart or real. Okay. Rule number four. I know you do attend hackathons. I know you do have some lame certifications. I also know the fact that you sometimes attend some tech events. You should definitely upload all of your achievements on LinkedIn. And the captions should be written entirely by yourself, not 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 from any ChatGPT or Grok or anything. Okay. Rule number five. If you have any certificates, you should upload it to your drive and that link to the certificates section. You should definitely add that link because if I am checking out your profile and I see that you have some certifications and it's just a name but not a proof, then how would I even believe that it's your certificate? Don't fake certificates. And skills. Please mention all the skills that you know. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You might think it's basic, but basics are important. Basics is everything. So upload all the skills that you know. Rule number six. If you have an experience, like you worked as a web intern in some XYZ startup or any some small level company or any experiences you have, please mention it in the experience section along with explaining what project you worked on. Just at least 2 to 4 lines is enough, but again, don't get it from ChatGPT, just like the way you did the projects. Okay. And last but not the least, always scroll LinkedIn at least 10 minutes in a day. I know you are good at scrolling Instagram, but scroll LinkedIn also at least 10 minutes a day. Just 10 minutes a day, and you will get so much demotivation and you will definitely start learning something. Okay, so Create a LinkedIn profile and use it, but not like Instagram. I said what I said. Bye.